Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because it is a new year, a new you, a new me, a new chance, and a new life. So welcome to 2021. Things are going to be fabulous this year. There's going to be grace, gratitude, and growth. So let's get excited, but you're not here for that, but I just wanted to welcome you into the new year. I'm back with another video, but this video kind of tags along from my series when I talked about how to get smooth skin after the age of 40. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a really quick, simple 3-ingredient exfoliation that's going to work well to get rid of that rough spot on the elbows, on the knees, on the heels. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now all we're gonna need is some coconut oil, some brown sugar, or you can use white sugar, but brown sugar is just more the natural form, and then a small jar. This is about a 2-ounce jar, and it came with a lid and a little protective lid right here, and a plastic spoon or metal spoon, whatever you want, and your favorite essential oil. I'm gonna use lemongrass because I'm making Coco Lemon Scrub. And this is gonna be like a full body scrub. It can be also used on the face because I'm using brown sugar, and brown sugar is soft enough and gentle enough. The granules are not too heavy so that you can use it on your face as well. I've already pre-measured a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and I put it in here. But because this is only 2 ounces, I'm gonna probably just use half of that. Just dump it in there. I wanna eyeball everything so it's not gonna be too much. And I'll take a little more than a tablespoon of the coconut oil. And you can decide how you wanna make this. You can make it as like creamy as you want, or as oily as you want. You could add honey to it if you wanted to. You know, there's all different types of ways you can make your scrub, but this is just something simple. You can leave it in the shower and we're good to go. So we're seeing how that's coming along. So make the coconut oil, you can heat it up on the stove so that you can liquefy it, but I would do a double boiler kind of scenario. So put it in a glass dish or some type of dish that can go in hot water and then liquefy it. So that's what it's looking like. Kind of almost like oatmeal. So I'm gonna add some more brown sugar. All right, so now that we got it all mixed and incorporated, it looks nice and yummy. All right, so we're just gonna add your favorite essential oil. Like I said, lemongrass is great. It helps to boost immunity. It's gonna give you like a refresher, an energizer in the morning. So it's perfect if you're kind of feeling sluggish that morning. Go ahead and exfoliate with your Coco Lemon Scrub. So then we're just gonna take 10 drops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do 10 to 20 drops, or as much or as little as you want. Depends on how much fragrance you want. It almost looks like applesauce, but of course it's gonna be, you know, like crunchy applesauce. So again, you can make whatever texture you want. So that is basically it. 3 ingredients for your scrub. Both, because it's winter time, so I'm really trying to get y'all set up for this winter because it's cold outside and you want your skin to be looking pristine and fabulous. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you try this recipe, or you can try your own. You can use any essential oil that you like. You can also use, like I said, honey. You can use lemon juice. You can use turmeric. There's so many options. If you want to know more, if you want to know what the benefits are from each type of product that you're going to use, leave a comment below. I'd like to, you know, kind of engage and help you all get your quick exfoliation on so you can have smooth skin even before 40. Okay, so hey, so I hope you again enjoyed this video and have a great day. Until we meet again, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.